There is a major new high-tech advance in one of the most popular cosmetic procedures in the United States.
Hi, I'm Dr. Caruth at Plano Aesthetics, and I just wanted to go over some of the areas that I get a lot of questions about during consults. One of the most common questions that people ask me is they come in and they talk about areas they can't get rid of with diet and exercise. And a lot of these people are in great shape, they exercise, they eat healthy, but they just can't seem to get rid of small areas like the thighs or the abs or the lower back. And they're just resistant fat, and they really can't get rid of them. Some of it's aging, some of it's childbirth, some of it's other issues, but in general, there's really good technology now that can help people with these areas, and it's minimally invasive. It can be done on an outpatient basis with local anesthetic, with or without mild sedation. The patient can really return to normal activity in a day or two and return to the gym in 3 or 4 days. And with really minimal discomfort, maybe a little tenderness for a few days, and that's about it. Most common technology we use for this, for body sculpting, body contouring, is called Smart Lipo. Smart Lipo is a laser-assisted liposuction device that basically melts the fat cells with a small laser about the size of a paper clip. And this can be done very easily in the office under local anesthesia. The patient can return to normal activity in 2 or 3 days. And it's very easily done. The fat cells are melted. They're removed with a tiny cannula to remove the fat cells. The laser actually stimulates collagen production and stimulates skin tightening, so the patient gets not only removal of the fat cells, but a tighter, smoother skin tone and texture. And this is an excellent procedure for people with these small areas that they can't get rid of in the gym, and can be done easily in an hour or two of time in the office. I'll give very good results for the right patients. If I can answer any concerns that you may have, just call the office, schedule a consultation, come in and talk to me, and I can go over in more detail what this involves.